Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the GLAKER Beard Trimmer Kit for men. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, try it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get this open, nicely covered, protected, really nice design, as you can kind of see. Comes with a 1/16 1.5 millimeter blade already. This is a beard trimmer, so you know, depending on what kind of length you're looking for, it comes with additional stuff. This is like a body. Actually, this is a foil, so this is for a shave. You'll have your nose hair trimmer, and then of course you'll have your kind of edger if you're going to be using any of those. And underneath you'll have a number of additional adjusters. This is the body trimmer that I was looking for. You'll have a nice long USB-C to USB-A to USB-C charging cable. You'll have some oil and a cleaning brush, a number of different sized trimmers or guards, trim guards we'll call them, for sizing up. And of course, you'll have your instruction manual. Now, this is both a hair trimmer and a beard trimmer. I'm going to be utilizing it as a beard trimmer, so we'll demonstrate that. So, as you can see, just a one quick press turns it on. It comes at 90% fully charged. USB-C entrance right there. I'm going to see if we can hold this down for 3 seconds, see if it locks. Sometimes these things do that. I don't know if this will, because it's not really meant to be a travel, but just wanted to test it out anyway. Anyway, so we'll go ahead and test it out. Now, I'm going to probably shave just with that right there. So I'm not going to be using the adapter, or I'm sorry, the guard. So just to point that out, and trying to see what the process is for. To get it. Read your instruction manual as far as changing stuff. So as usual, it just takes a second to kind of figure out. You're just going to find the front and just push it up, and it should come off. All these should come with a little bit of a guide here that you're just going to find into that groove and clip into place, and again just pop up to remove. So let's go ahead and test out the shave and take it from there. All right, so just be aware, I'm pretty sure it only goes to 99 and not 100, so I'm just going to take it off the charger, but get it fully charged before you start using it. All right, so we're going to kind of shave half the face to start with so you can see the difference, and then I'll do the full thing and the battery that's left over afterwards. Again, nice quiet shave, so we'll go ahead and kind of start from the top and then work our way out. Doesn't bother the skin at all. Some of these blades will kind of just really agitate the skin. And I'll just finish up real quick. All right, so I'm halfway through. As you can see, there's a lot of hair, so just make sure you use a brush of some sort to clean it. And I don't know if you're able to tell, but it does a really nice job. It gives a pretty close shave for the trimmer. And again, there's no guard here, so this is right to the blade. So far feels really good. I'm going to finish up, just showing you the comparison, and then I'll let you know what the battery looks like. But I mean, it's at 98 so right now, so it's probably gonna be really, really good. Okay, so done. Feels great, made it super easy, and I'm just gonna turn it on so you can see. We're at 97%, so basically 2 to 3% was used to shave, which means I'm not gonna have to charge this thing a ton, which is really, really great. So to me, totally worth buying. A lot of value here. One thing I wish it did have was like a kit, almost a bag instead of a box. To kind of store stuff in, but you know, frankly, all I'm going to be doing is for me, I'm going to be using this, so I'm just going to keep it in my drawer anyway. But it would be nice to kind of have some kind of travel case or something like that. I know GLAKER does offer other ones like that, but either way, totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.